JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an account on Forex trading. So to do this, all you have to do is download MetaTrader 5 on your phone. So this is how you will be connected to a broker for your Forex account. So here, you'll be practicing with your demo account once you open your Forex trading platform, which is your MetaTrader 5 right here. So here you can enter symbols as your name right here. So you can search for Forex, metals, and indexes right here. So here you can also collapse it right here and check out the bigger one. So here you want to add columns to bid high, bid low, high, ask low. So to open your Forex trading account, basically you'll have to go to settings. From there, you want to go to chat and messages. You want to register with your own broker right here, which is our MetaTrader 5. So you want to register with your Google email or perhaps your Apple. So once you have actually made one right here, I suggest you start trading with your demo account only for risk reduction management so that you won't be able to have to lose your money to just practicing on how to do it. So here you have your charts as you can see. So here we have the Euro USD chart right here. So here you can trade in the middle. You can add your trades, your buy and sell. So there's instant execution, stop loss, and take profit. So you will learn this on your way up to trading. But that is how you open your Forex trading account. So if there's anything you need in this video, you can put it in the comments down below. If this video was helpful though, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.